Zombie apocalypse.
Hey guys, what is up? And today we're going to be learning how to make Super Smash Bros. On Scratch. So, first of all, what we need to do is, let's make a player. So I have this nice Mario walk cycle, ready, and you guys can download this, from the description down below, and then just upload it into Scratch. Like that. And then set its size to 25 because it's humongous right now. And there we go. That looks a lot better. And now let's call him Mario. And then let's make a level. Alright. So I'm just going to make a little island here. Yeah, black. Right. I'll set this to 12. Then I'll make just a huge straight line across. And then make a sort of island, floating island shape. Because that's what I want my level to be. But obviously you guys can change it up however you want. Because this will be your game. And now, just add a green outline. Like this. Well, a green square actually, not a green outline. And then fill in the bottom kind of brown shade to make a floating island. Then I'll also add some of these. I'm just gonna add some floating blocks, like one right there and one right there. And there we go. But now Mario is not shown. I'm just gonna call this level. But now Mario is not showing, which is not good. So we need to add a go to front layer. Oh no, go to front. Okay, there we go. And I'm actually gonna set his size to 15. Yes, that looks a lot better. And I'm going to make him go to there. There we go. Now let's do forever. If key right arrow pressed, key right arrow pressed, then change X by 10. Actually, yeah, okay, 10. Nope, that's too fast. Okay. Let's actually set it to 5, because, yeah, alright. And then point direction 90. And also you want to set the rotation style to left and right. Then if we duplicate this and do if key left arrow pressed, point direction negative 90 and change Y by negative 5. Yeah, alright. That's why I said the rotation style to left and right. Wait a minute. This is going the opposite way. Weird. Why? Okay, I don't know why this is happening, but we need to reverse these. This is super weird. Okay, now it works. Yeah. And let's also add a next costume. And that kind of makes him look like he's running. But we need to add like a wait, 0.03 seconds. And that, I'm pretty happy with that. It looks like a running Mario. So yeah. And now let's also add a jump. So we can do if key up arrow pressed, or whatever key you want, like space. Then let's change X. Oh no, change Y. So we can repeat, then repeat 10 times, change it by -10. Okay, and let's add a weight, 0.1 second in the middle. Now, that's a jump, but that's way too high. So let's do that. And yeah, that jump is not. Maybe repeat 6 times? Okay. Alright, I just need to get these numbers right. You can, I definitely recommend experimenting with these. Yeah, okay. I'm pretty happy with that. And I'm going to put this inside of another when green flag clicked. Because, so then you can move and jump at the same time. And yeah, I'm pretty happy with this. You know what? I'm actually just going to get rid of these. So it's a bit better fighting. And yes. Now let's make a character selection menu. Well, no, actually, you know what? I'm just going to call this P1 for player 1. And then let's make a Mario attack here. So, wait, oh my gosh, okay. First, we actually need to create the menu before actually making the attacks, because then we need to specify which attacks go to which one. So, let's see. I'm going to make this with 4 sprites. 4 characters you can choose from. So, let me find Luigi. GIF, walk. Luigi walking GIF. And tools, color transparent. And then, let's see, this one. Okay. Yeah, no, I don't like this one. That one. No. No, I like this one. So I'll leave a link to this one too in the description, and let me just save this. Then in the player 1, let me just upload it in the costumes. Yep. And okay, see, so Luigi is a lot smaller than Mario. So if I set his size to 50, see, then he's, yeah, okay. So we'll have to do when flag clicked forever if costume number. Well, actually no. Okay, we don't need to worry about that right now. I'm just going to be finding characters. Let me actually also do Princess Peach walk cycle GIF. I'm also going to add Princess Peach in here. And then tools, color transparent. And let's see if I can find any pixel art. No, there's no pixel art. Well, that's sad. Okay. About here. I need a search of Mario characters. Here, wait. Toad. No, wait. Let's do, wait, Waluigi, walking, GIF, yeah. Let's add Waluigi in here. I don't know if that's how you say it, but I mean, that seems about right. And yes, I'll leave a link to this one too. There's gonna be like 4 links in the description. And then let me upload this in here too. And yep. Oh no, but oh yeah, then all of these are facing that way, and this one's facing this. Okay. And then I'll also leave a little, okay. Let's also do, who's Daisy? I don't even know who Daisy is. I don't play Mario that much. No. Yeah, no. Donkey Kong. Yes, let's add Donkey Kong in here. Donkey Kong. Oh my gosh. That's idle. Okay. I need him walking. Really? Okay, that's Among Us. I don't know why Among Us came in here, but okay. Ooh. Yeah, he's not walking. Nope. Come on. Okay, I mean, that's a walk cycle, but I don't really like it that much. Okay, so if we can't add Donkey Kong, let's add Boo. Boo. He's like that ghost little thingy. Tools, Kong, transparent. Boo. Boo Mario. Yeah, that Boo. And color transparent. Oh gosh. And okay. This is very creepy. Yeah, okay, I need this. So I'm going to save this image and I'll leave a link to this one too. And then straight up just upload it into here. Source. I called it source. Alright, there we go. So I have 4 costumes ready. And yeah, so let's just start working on the character selection here. I'm going to make a backdrop. And I'm going to call it character selection P1. Yeah, alright. And then just make a huge black square. Oof. Okay, yep. And then I'm just going to call this character selection. Character selection player 1. And marker. You could choose any font you want. I mean, I like marker because it just looks really cool. Well, no, actually, I should do pixel because then it'll fit the pixel art characters. And yeah. So, guys, that is it for this video. And if you enjoyed, be sure to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. So, peace out.